Today we are going to a place in Bhutan called Samdrup Jongkhar and test some Bhutanese food. So let's go.
अभी भूटान जा रहे हैं सांद्रुप जंखर साइड में.
What is that?
Samdrup Jongkhar.
Samdrup
Sa-
Jongkhar.
Samdrup
That's the
Jongkhar.
border town, right?
Yes.
Okay. And from here?
From
How
here
far?
it will take around 1 hour and 20 minutes
Okay.
approx.
It's around 55, 60, 60
Yes.
roughly 60 kilometers.
Mhm.
All right. Let's start.
Okay. Sir, pagla dia. Yes.
I have to follow the rickshaw to know where it is better to cross. We are almost there at the border gate. Now we are standing in queue waiting. There's a lot of people. Yes, we have entered Bhutan. Lucky the security
Yes.
at the gate somehow
Left.
they saw 4 of us and asked us to do before everyone else. We're going to a restaurant in the town of Samdrup Jongkhar. Very crowded. Very crowded. Very crowded. There was a lot of crowd, lot of people, but the view was amazing. Anyway, we go to find another restaurant. It's a very quiet place. We chose to sit outside. Here this hotel, and they have this restaurant also. It's the hostel food bar lodge with swimming pool. Nice. And here's the Bhutanese dish.
try guru na.
This hotel also has a swimming pool. Not a big one, a small one, but nice, cool. This side is the deep end. This is the deep end. This is the shallow end. I am having Bhutanese fruit drink, pineapple drink. Juice. Let me try Bhutanese juice. Full pineapple. You can see the pulp of the pineapple over there. It's full pineapple. Yeah. So this is pork Thukpa. I can see a lot of chili. Even the noodles has become yellow from the chili. This is the pork Thukpa. I can smell the chili. It's going to be spicy. Look. Nice, but there's a lot of tomatoes, but I like the spice.
उसका जैसे चने में उसका होते हैं पेपर पोट
Nice. This is cooked it, so it's still hot, temperature hot, but because there's a lot of chili, it's double hot now. But it's nice. Datshi, so there's cheese, Bhutanese cheese with mushroom. So let me serve. Oh, so creamy. Looks so creamy, but there's a lot of chili again here. The Bhutanese people eat a lot of chili. Yeah. I like this small balls for serving this Datshi. एक इसमें खा लेगा. Nice. This for you. For you. Mushroom Datshi for the first time. Mushroom with cheese. Again, this is also very hot, means it's still steaming. two of my favorite things: cheese or mushroom. So creamy.
Pork, what was it?
This is
Pork,
pork maru.
pork maru. Okay.
You don't feel the pork so much, but the cheese is very strong. Oh. Yeah, they had a bit of the pepper, chili, so it's giving you that little bit of heat also. Cheese is mild, a bit of tomato, and the capsicum, and the fattiness of the the pork. Have you tried this before? Try once. It's very nice. First class. It's really good. Try. I think you have already had before, but really nice. So we are done eating the Bhutanese food, but we are still going to go and try another restaurant. Yeah, let's see as much as we can. So let's go. That's the bill. I'll pay. Next one will be mine. Yeah, wife ने बोल दिया तो husband क्या करेगा? So much and only 930. Nice.
Left side.
So we now go to the middle of the town.
खाली देखा था हाँ इसमें करना पड़ेगा सर.
This is the vegetable market. This is mushroom, no? What is this? Dry mushroom. Yeah, these are dry mushrooms. ये क्या है? सूखा वाला?
Brinjal.
Brinjal. Oh, dried brinjal. Yeah, it looks very nice. It's a nice little town. You see the architecture, they always have that traditional thing in the arches and in the windows. This is another street on the upper level, and they have a, what do they call, the temple. Yeah, we'll go inside this, right in the middle.
I think it's Gompa sir.
We'll go inside and just see.
Yes. No, you're sending the prayers to the sky. That's the meaning.
I asked Bhutanese elder about the wheels, and he said that they are for dharma and they cleanse your karma. Then we went to a departmental store. There were a variety of noodles.
Oh yeah, this is the one. I love this. Look at the designs.
It's
No, it's mostly Chinese only. But I like this. Look at this one. I'll take one, just for decorative purpose. One. This also. Well, let's hope that it doesn't break. Otherwise, it's all glasses. It's all glass. Okay, we are going into another restaurant. It's very lovely. Welcome to Hotel Friends.
Just, I think the menu again like an exam.
So this is pork fry, no? Pork fry. This is what Jenny says. It's very tasty here. Okay, you try one piece. One piece. Yes. One piece.
pork fry.
Bathuk.
Chicken bathuk. This is chicken bathtub. Chicken in a bathtub. Chicken bathuk noodles. Chicken bathuk. Again, eating for the first time. Not very spicy as I thought, but the noodles are not very long strands. These are small strands. See? My noodle bowl is empty. Chicken bathuk. Sayan has done it along with some soju. ये दोनों तो रोमांस करते करते खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. रोमांस करते करते खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. So all the food that I had till now in Samdrup Jongkhar, yeah, that's the name of the place. It's not far. You just have to come in few kilometers, couple of kilometers from the border of India. You don't take any entry fee. You just have to show your ID. You can come have. It's very cheap food, very reasonable. Drinks are also reasonably priced. There's a lot of places to eat, a lot of places to drink. There's a lot of other things to do. There's karaoke, there is snooker and pool places. And yeah, petrol is very cheap here. So you can come. Well, we had in a matter of 1 hour we had in 2 different restaurants, and we're still eating. And we just finished everything again. Very nice.